Okay, last thing you need to do now that you've finished formatting your customized histogram is we want to be able to use this in a word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. So, you can select, charts like this in Excel and do a copy paste into Microsoft Word. But that can be problematic. I've seen Microsoft Word do really weird formatting things to your chart when you're just kind of editing your Word document. All right. So to prevent any future problems with these charts that you've laboriously made and formatted to look really professional, the best way to avoid those problems is to save this chart as a JPEG or a PNG file, and then import that JPEG or PNG file into your Word document or into Google Docs. And so to do that, you probably will have some other cell selected in your spreadsheet. This histogram here is the one that I want to save as a picture file, as a JPEG file. And so when you click on it, you'll see now it becomes highlighted. Now make sure that only the boundary, the chart area is selected. Something like that. Okay, just so that the outer chart area is selected, and right click on the chart area. Let me see if I can get that to show a little bit better there. All right, so if you right click in the chart area, there'll be an option here that says Save Picture. So if you left click that, it's going to bring up a dialog box asking where you want to save it. So for me right now, I just am putting it in my temp folder. You probably have a different folder you want to put it in. You could leave it as a PNG graphics format, but I kind of prefer JPEG. And then just come down here and give it a name. So let's see, I think this was, I'm just going to put, I think this was, let's see, height, histogram, maybe with 16 classes. So give it some kind of descriptive term. And then once you click save, it will output this graph or this histogram in the location you chose. So just remember where you're saving it. Maybe you want to save it to your desktop, maybe a temp directory, maybe some other directory on your computer. Just make sure you remember where you're putting it and hit save. And it will be there. Okay. Notice that if I select anything else and I right click, that option to save as picture isn't present. Okay. If you have something else selected on the inside by accident and you right click on it, you're not going to be able to save as picture. It's only when you click on the chart area around this border that it allows you to save as a picture. And that's the option you want. Right. That is it.